In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add SuperSmootherK in TradingView Pro. We'll walk through this step by step so that by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to find the indicator and get it onto your chart without any confusion. Even if you're fairly new to TradingView, just follow along on your own screen and you'll be good to go. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and you have a chart open. Any market or time frame is fine. What matters is that you can see the main chart area. Near the top of the screen, you'll see the toolbar that runs horizontally across your chart. Look for the button labeled Indicators. It usually sits near the middle of that top bar. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This is where TradingView keeps all the built-in tools, custom scripts, and indicators you can add. Once you click it, a new window will pop up over your chart. At the top of that window, you'll see a search box. This is the easiest way to find a specific indicator instead of scrolling through long lists. Click directly on the search box so your cursor is active there. Now type in SuperSmootherK, exactly as you see it spelled. TradingView will instantly start filtering results as you type, and within a second or two, you should see SuperSmootherK appear in the list below. When you see it in the search results, simply click on the SuperSmootherK entry. As soon as you do, TradingView will automatically add it to your chart. You'll notice a new panel appear, usually either overlaid on the price or in a separate window below the main chart, depending on how the indicator is designed. That's your confirmation that it's been successfully added. From here, you can fine-tune it if you want. Hover over the name of the indicator on your chart and click the settings icon. In that menu, you can adjust things like lengths, smoothing, or colors, depending on how the script is coded. This is useful if you want the indicator to stand out better against your chart background, or if you're testing different parameter values to match your trading style. If you're using or upgrading to TradingView Pro, remember to use the affiliate link in the video description. It's a simple way to support the channel while you unlock extra features like more indicators per chart, additional alerts, and better layout options, which make using tools like SuperSmootherK a lot more convenient. That's all you need to do to get SuperSmootherK up and running in TradingView Pro.